Hey guys, so quick update lang tayo dito sa Susu Value Airdrop and I would say surprisingly meron silang Season 3 no? Ayan no, S3 new. So share ko lang dito yung mga nakuha kong badges like EXP, Honor Wall and other updates dito guys sa bago na lang user interface. If na mismo yung Season 1 and Season 2, meron silang Season 3 guys no ito. So, yeah, pag-usapan natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin. Turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys no. So, ngayon, as per checking dito, S2 EXP badge meron tayo. Real user level V5 no. So yeah, ito yung isa sa mga badge na nakuha natin. EXP level, ayan, V7 ito, grind ko din talaga ito no, dahil daily, araw-araw I've been doing this daily task no. So I think meron pa ako ditong naiwan. Let's do this daily task sa X, Instagram and TikTok no. Starter pack as we observe, ayan, naubos ko talaga din itong tapusin. So dito naman I think we can just select lang this one and then mamaya babalikan ko to just to claim yung EXP no. So nag-add sila dito ng ads to review. Ayan, meron din akong nakukuha dyan. So, airdrop, no? Season 2 na EXP airdrop as we observe dito. So, magkakaroon ng checker sa June 12, no? So, 12 days, mag-aantay pa tayo. Pero, merong pinaka S2 EXP airdrop checker dito. Calendar, I think if you want to set calendar ay mapupunta ka dito and you can just set dito no for the Susu Value Season 2 EXP airdrop checker opens. So yeah, ito yung mga recent updates for Susu Value and nagkaroon na dito ng reset sa EXP for Season 3 no. Ayan, as we observe, nag-0 na yung pinaka-EXP ko. And meron pa tayo ditong i-farm. Ayan, I just farm na rin dito ng itong sa earn ad revenue. So for this one as well, I just need to verify lang. Ayan, I think I need to repost. Ayan, so yun guys no, you can explore, you can check sa mga nag-farm neto. Hopefully maging worth it yung magiging allocation dito and sa June 12 yung pinaka-checker dito no. So mag-open yan June 12 for Season 2 EXP airdrop and titingnan natin kung ano yung magiging allocations natin dito. We'll keep you posted. And nasa tingin nyo guys, yung mga badge nyo dito, feel free to comment kung ano yung nakuha nyong badge. Yeah, kung gusto nyo humabol, you can just explore yung pinaka-official global link na mayroong additional na 10,000 EXP. Lalay ko na lang sa pinaka-description ng video na ito so that you can check if you're interested for the Season 3 airdrop dito guys no. As we observe, nag-reset. So kung magkano yung allocations natin na makukuha, we'll keep you posted na lang. Season 3, I'll be farming as well this one. Yun lang for today guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.